Okay, welcome to all. Now the time to start learning the Photoshop. Okay, so I am launching the Photoshop. I am going step by step. So keep watching. These are the left is called tool. These are the menus. Here you can open the image. How to open the image? File open. So I already opened this image. What I am going to do? I am pressing M. So this is a Margu tool for selection. Otherwise, you can just click here. Also, you can do that. So I'm going to select this. What I am going to say in the generator field, change the flowers in this vase. Just see what will be happening. You can see the different types of flowers will automatically filled in this area which you are selected. See, new flowers are come. So I want to change this. You can see that change the hanging light to a new good looking light. I'm pressing enter. In your mind automatically it will generate and okay, you can see three options would come. Any options you can select it. And again, if you want to hear, change the background. So there is a problem in internet connection. Its internet connection is required for this. If it is not connection is some problem, it will showcase this issue. See, now you can see that is the background is changed. I think that one or two or three options will be there. You can see different options. So this is a way Photoshop we can utilize like anything. So people say that because of the new technologies like DALI, Leonardo, Photoshop has a lot of editing features that is not able to provide by any other tools. Please watching, you can do lot many things in Photoshop. This is a way you can effortlessly you can edit the images. Okay, what we learned in this video? This video we learned how to use Marquee tool and select one place. Marquee tool is work only for a rectangular. Then you can use the AI generative fill. So open one image, use Marquee tool and use generative fill, check it and let me know if you are understanding any problem in the understanding, any doubts, I'll clarify you.